Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore the most exciting breakthroughs in future aviation and air mobility. Today we're diving into some of the coolest electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that are pushing the boundaries of how we'll travel in the coming years. These eVTOLs promise quieter, cleaner, and more convenient flights that could completely change urban and regional transportation. Let's jump right in with one of the most promising designs out there. Let's kick things off with a truly impressive machine that's turning heads in the eVTOL world because it takes a smart and proven approach to making air taxis not just possible, but actually practical and efficient for everyday use. The Overair Butterfly is a standout all-electric piloted eVTOL air taxi developed by Overair in the United States, building on decades of innovation from its roots at Coupe aircraft to create something that stands out for balancing power, efficiency, quiet operation, and real-world reliability in ways many competitors struggle with. What makes the Butterfly really shine is its optimum speed tilt rotor system, paired with individual blade control technology, featuring 4 large, slow-turning rotors driven by multiple electric motors that adjust their speed intelligently across different flight phases to deliver powerful vertical lift while making a smooth and seamless transition into efficient forward flight. And this setup is special because those bigger rotors spin more slowly, which slashes power demand during the energy-hungry hover phase by up to 60% compared to smaller propeller designs, while also cutting noise levels dramatically toward that impressive 55 decibel target, so you get peaceful flights even in urban areas. The lightweight carbon fiber composite airframe with its high wing vertical stabilizer and retractable wheeled landing gear supports stable cruising and easy ground handling without unnecessary complexity, which helps keep maintenance costs lower and vehicle uptime higher, making it more affordable to operate over time, even if the upfront price for commercial operators is still in the development stage without public consumer pricing available yet, as the company targets certification around 2027. This design stands out for its strong focus on safety through built-in redundancy across propulsion systems and the vibration-reducing benefits of individual blade control, which not only improves passenger comfort with a smoother ride, but also lowers mechanical stress for better long-term reliability and fewer maintenance headaches, giving it an edge in the competitive market, where many other eVTOLs face challenges with high energy use, excessive noise, or complicated transitions. On the pros side, the Butterfly offers excellent payload capacity for 1 pilot, plus up to 5 passengers with luggage, a cruise speed around 180 miles per hour, a top speed near 200 miles per hour, and a range exceeding 100 miles on a single charge, all while producing 0 direct emissions, which positions it perfectly for cleaner urban and regional air travel that skips traffic and runways entirely. Of course, like most current eVTOL projects, it still faces the typical hurdles of battery technology limits and regulatory approvals. But Overair's military-grade heritage and backing from major partners like Hanwha give it solid credibility for overcoming those challenges faster than many startups. Next up is something truly special that's redefining what personal air mobility can look like in this exciting new era of vertical flight. And that standout machine is the AltoVolo Sigma, a brilliant hybrid electric eVTOL from the innovative aerospace startup AltoVolo, based in London in the United Kingdom. What makes the Sigma really shine and stand out from the crowded field is its clever hybrid approach that perfectly balances the instant power and smooth, quiet operation of electric motors for vertical takeoffs and landings, with the superior energy density of a liquid fuel system that powers efficient long-range cruise segments, allowing it to deliver dramatically extended journeys that most pure electric competitors simply cannot match, while keeping operating costs surprisingly reasonable for a high-performance personal aircraft. This smart combination means owners get the best of both worlds with whisper-quiet electric propulsion during sensitive urban phases that produces around 80% less noise than traditional helicopters, making it ideal for residential areas, rooftops, or tight landing pads without disturbing neighbors. Yet they can flip into hybrid mode for those longer adventures where the fuel generator keeps things going strong. The hybrid electric tilting jet propulsion system is at the heart of its unique design, enabling incredibly clean and seamless transitions from hover to high-speed forward flight with exceptional efficiency that achieves roughly twice the fuel efficiency of conventional helicopters and 1.5 times faster cruise performance overall. With this technology, the Sigma can reach impressive cruise speeds of about 220 miles per hour and cover up to 510 miles in hybrid mode or around 260 miles on pure electric power alone, opening up exciting possibilities for point-to-point regional trips, weekend getaways, or even business travel that skips airports entirely and saves hours compared to driving or flying commercially. Safety remains a top priority through redundant controls, multiple independent motors, and a ballistic parachute system that provides peace of mind even in challenging scenarios, while the aircraft's lightweight yet robust construction supports reliable everyday use with lower maintenance demands than more complex designs. On the pro side, this makes the Sigma incredibly versatile and practical for private owners who want true freedom in the skies without the usual limitations of short battery ranges or excessive noise. Plus, it offers a luxurious cabin experience with modern amenities that turn every flight into something special and exhilarating. Of course, as with many advanced eVTOL projects still progressing through development and certification, potential challenges include the higher upfront investment needed for hybrid technology and regulatory approvals for personal ownership. But the advantages in range, speed, and real-world usability give it a clear edge for those ready to embrace the future of personal aviation. Another strong contender making waves in the eVTOL scene is the impressive vertical Aerospace Valo, formerly known as the VX4, from the innovative team at Vertical Aerospace in the United Kingdom. This piloted urban air mobility aircraft stands out as a refined, production-focused evolution, designed to make short, efficient journeys across cities and nearby regions not just possible, but genuinely practical and affordable for everyday travelers and operators alike. What truly sets the Valo apart is its clever use of 8 strategically mounted electric propellers on the wings and tail surfaces, which provide powerful vertical lift for effortless takeoffs from compact vertiports or rooftops before smoothly transitioning to wing-supported cruise flight, delivering a seamless experience that minimizes energy waste and maximizes reliability in real-world conditions. As a fully electric system, it achieves zero direct emissions while operating at impressively low noise levels, making it ideal for buzzing through bustling urban environments without disturbing residents below, and opening up new possibilities for sustainable air travel that traditional helicopters or ground transport simply cannot match in terms of speed and convenience. The advanced carbon composite structure combined with sophisticated flight controls and multiple layers of redundancy gives operators and passengers alike a deep sense of confidence, meeting the highest airliner-level safety certification standards that many competitors are still striving to reach. This focus on simplicity and proven distributed electric propulsion helps keep operating costs lower over time through easier maintenance, quicker turnaround between flights, and reduced energy demands compared to more complex hybrid or heavy mechanical designs, which is exactly why the Valo feels like such a smart, efficient choice that could democratize air mobility without breaking the bank for commercial fleets. Cruise speeds target around 150 miles per hour, with a practical range of about 100 miles, positioning it perfectly for quick urban hops like airport connections, or skipping city traffic on regional routes, while offering passengers a smooth, comfortable ride with premium cabin features and generous luggage capacity. Built on extensive lessons from the VX4 testing program, including recent piloted transitional flights, the Valo incorporates aerodynamic refinements, an optimized underfloor battery setup, and upgraded materials developed with top aerospace partners to enhance manufacturability and long-term durability. On the pros side, its strong emphasis on safety redundancies, quiet operation, and zero-emission performance makes it a standout for environmentally conscious markets, potentially lowering overall trip costs through high utilization rates and minimal infrastructure needs since it doesn't require long runways. Of course, like others in this emerging field, challenges remain around scaling battery technology for broader adoption and navigating final regulatory approvals. But with steady progress toward 28 certification and strong backing, Vertical Aerospace is pushing hard to bring this aircraft into commercial service soon. For something truly unique that is capturing attention across the advanced air mobility world, check out the groundbreaking CycloTech BlackBird, an all-electric uncrewed technology demonstrator developed by the pioneering team at CycloTech in Austria. This remarkable aircraft is purpose-built to showcase and validate the company's revolutionary cyclo-rotor system. Featuring 6 electrically driven cycloidal rotors that deliver full 360-degree thrust vectoring and incredibly precise control in any direction imaginable, allowing the vehicle to move with unmatched agility and responsiveness that traditional propeller or rotor designs simply cannot achieve. Instead of carrying passengers, the BlackBird serves as a flying testbed dedicated to proving next-generation flight systems, advanced avionics, and sophisticated autonomous software under real-world conditions, pushing the boundaries of what electric vertical takeoff and landing technology can accomplish in terms of maneuverability and operational flexibility. Its lightweight carbon fiber composite structure, paired with simple fixed skid landing gear, keeps the overall design clean, reliable, and easy to maintain, making it an efficient platform for rapid testing and iteration without unnecessary complexity or high costs. The BlackBird made its successful maiden flight in March 2025, immediately demonstrating impressive capabilities including powerful vertical lift, stable hovering, smooth pitch control, mid-air braking, and pinpoint-accurate landings even in challenging wind conditions, proving the immense potential of this cycloidal propulsion approach right from the start. What makes the BlackBird truly stand out is how the cyclo-rotor technology enables instantaneous thrust changes in all directions, offering superior low-speed handling, exceptional stability in tight urban spaces, and the ability to perform complex maneuvers that could revolutionize everything from dense city deliveries to emergency response and future passenger eVTOLs with levels of control and quiet efficiency that set it apart from conventional designs. On the pro side, this system promises dramatically improved safety through redundant rotor operation, reduced mechanical wear, lower noise profiles suitable for populated areas, and enhanced energy efficiency during hover and transition phases compared to traditional setups, potentially leading to lower operating costs and higher mission success rates in demanding environments. While still in the demonstrator phase with challenges ahead in scaling the technology for crewed versions and securing broader certifications, the BlackBird's innovative cycloidal approach opens exciting new doors for the entire industry by solving long-standing issues around precise positioning and adaptability that have held back many other eVTOL projects. Overall, with its bold engineering vision and proven early flight success, the CycloTech BlackBird represents a thrilling leap forward that could inspire a whole new generation of highly maneuverable, intelligent electric aircraft and accelerate the arrival of truly versatile air mobility solutions in the years ahead. Over in China, one of the most forward-thinking concepts turning heads in the future mobility space is the innovative land and air vehicle prototype developed by Chery Automobile, a bold modular flying car that masterfully blends autonomous driving with electric vertical takeoff and landing flight to create a seamless all-in-one transportation solution for modern urban life. This groundbreaking vehicle stands out because it reimagines daily commuting by combining the convenience of a road car with the freedom of flight, featuring a clever modular design made up of a ground chassis, an intelligent cockpit, and a dedicated aircraft module that allows smooth, quick switches between road and air modes without complicated procedures, making it far more practical and user-friendly than many separate eVTOL or flying car attempts. By eliminating traditional steering wheels or pedals in favor of full automation, the prototype relies on advanced autonomous systems and smart controls that let occupants simply relax while the vehicle handles everything, whether navigating busy streets or lifting off into the skies, which dramatically reduces the learning curve and opens up personal air travel to everyday people who aren't trained pilots. In flight mode, 9 electric motors power 8 dedicated lift propellers along with 1 pusher for efficient forward thrust, all supported by a high wing configuration and inverted U-tail with fixed skids for stable operations, delivering a reliable and efficient transition that prioritizes safety and energy savings during those critical hover and climb phases. This setup makes the vehicle especially effective for short urban commutes and daily travel needs, where it can bypass traffic congestion entirely by taking to the air for quick point-to-point journeys. combining the best aspects of cars for ground flexibility with aircraft capabilities for speed and direct routing. On the pro side, its fully electric propulsion ensures zero direct emissions and quiet performance suitable for city environments, while the modular approach helps keep potential costs more manageable by allowing shared components and easier upgrades compared to fully integrated designs, potentially making it more affordable for broader adoption in the long run. The prototype targets real-world practicality with capacity for 2 people plus luggage, offering around 40 minutes of endurance that perfectly suits quick hops across metropolitan areas or nearby suburbs, and its autonomous nature promises higher safety through constant sensor monitoring and obstacle avoidance that human drivers might miss. Of course, as an early-stage prototype, it still faces typical hurdles such as regulatory approvals for mixed road-air operations, battery limitations for longer trips, and scaling production. But Chery's strong automotive background and focus on integrating proven car technologies give it a solid foundation to overcome these challenges faster than pure aerospace startups. On the cargo side, delivering real-world practicality where many others fall short, check out the impressive Aergility ATLIS, a hybrid electric heavy-lift unmanned aircraft from Aergility Corporation in the United States that is purpose-built for autonomous long-range delivery missions in challenging environments. What makes the ATLIS truly stand out is its smart hybrid architecture that combines 6 large electric rotors dedicated to powerful vertical takeoff and landing with a 90-kilowatt multi-fuel turboprop pusher propeller that not only drives efficient forward flight but also recharges the batteries in cruise, creating a seamless system that maximizes endurance while keeping energy costs remarkably low. Thanks to its patented managed auto-rotation technology, the lift rotors cleverly switch to auto-rotating mode during cruise, working together with the high-wing configuration to achieve fixed wing-like efficiency for extended missions without draining power unnecessarily, which directly translates to lower operating expenses, reduced fuel consumption, and the ability to tackle remote areas or regions with poor infrastructure where traditional trucks, helicopters, or purely electric drones simply cannot compete in terms of range and reliability. This innovative design allows the ATLIS to haul 400 to 500 pounds of payload inside a spacious internal bay while cruising at around 100 miles per hour, offering ranges from 300 to 600 miles and endurance up to 4.5 hours on a single tank, making it perfect for time-sensitive logistics like delivering medical supplies to disaster zones, supporting military operations, or enabling e-commerce fulfillment in rugged terrain. Built with a focus on simplicity, modularity, and cost-effectiveness, the aircraft features interchangeable payload bays that can be swapped in minutes, autonomous flight systems with high redundancy for safe operations, and a rugged structure optimized for all-weather performance and minimal maintenance, helping operators achieve the lowest total cost of ownership in its class through high utilization rates and straightforward servicing. On the pro side, the hybrid setup provides excellent payload capacity and extended range without the battery limitations plaguing fully electric competitors, while still delivering lower emissions than conventional aircraft and quiet vertical operations that suit sensitive locations. Of course, as a developing platform, it faces typical hurdles around full-scale certification and scaling production. But with successful hover tests completed and steady progress toward commercial deployment, Aergility is positioning the ATLIS as a game-changer for practical, affordable, autonomous cargo transport. The impressive VoloRegion from Volocopter, now advancing strongly under Diamond Aircraft Industries in Germany, is an all-electric 4-seat eVTOL specifically designed to bridge the gap for regional connections beyond dense city centers, making suburban and crosstown travel faster, greener, and far more convenient than ever before. What truly makes the VoloRegion stand out is its smart lift and cruise configuration, featuring 6 vertical lift propellers mounted on twin booms for powerful, quiet takeoffs and landings, combined with 2 efficient rear-ducted fans that excel in forward flight, all working seamlessly with a high-wing layout and retractable tricycle landing gear to deliver smooth transitions and excellent stability across different phases of flight. This thoughtful distributed electric propulsion setup allows the aircraft to operate with fly-by-wire controls that support both piloted and fully autonomous modes, complete with multiple layers of redundancy for enhanced safety and reliability that meet rigorous certification standards. Quick battery swapping technology is one of its biggest advantages, enabling minimal downtime between flights and high daily utilization rates that help keep operating costs competitive and accessible for commercial operators serving everyday commuters. Large panoramic windows provide passengers with stunning aerial views, turning even short trips into enjoyable experiences, while the zero-emission electric powertrain ensures whisper-quiet operations perfect for suburban neighborhoods and sensitive areas. With targeted cruise speeds around 112 miles per hour, a top speed near 155 miles per hour, and a practical range of roughly 62 miles, along with a payload capacity between 660 and 880 pounds, the VoloRegion is ideally suited for connecting city outskirts, airports, and regional hubs without the need for traditional runways or lengthy ground transfers. Following Volocopter's acquisition and reorganization under Diamond Aircraft in 2025, the project has gained fresh momentum with improved manufacturing expertise and a clearer path toward commercial service, building on successful prototype testing to refine aerodynamics, battery integration, and overall efficiency. On the pros side, its balanced design offers strong passenger comfort, rapid turnaround times through battery swaps, and versatile mission flexibility that fills the sweet spot between pure urban air taxis and longer-range aircraft, potentially lowering per-trip costs through high fleet productivity and simple maintenance routines. While range limitations from current battery tech remain a factor for broader adoption, the VoloRegion's focus on regional practicality positions it as a smart, efficient choice that could accelerate the growth of advanced air mobility by serving real commuter needs today. From the United States comes a truly exciting personal aviation project with the innovative LEO Coupe, a compact 2 to 3 seat electric flying car style eVTOL currently under development by Leo Flight Corporation that beautifully blends everyday convenience with genuine flight freedom for aspiring pilots and enthusiasts alike. What makes the LEO Coupe stand out in the crowded eVTOL field is its distinctive double-box wing layout, combined with distributed electric propulsion using ducted fans for both vertical lift and efficient forward thrust, creating a design that offers superior stability, reduced drag, and enhanced safety margins while delivering an incredibly smooth and responsive flying experience that feels more like driving than traditional piloting. This clever configuration allows the aircraft to achieve impressive cruise speeds near 200 miles per hour and an all-electric range of 250 to 300 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for longer personal trips, weekend getaways, or commuting beyond city limits without the range anxiety that limits many other electric designs. The spacious cabin features panoramic windows that provide breathtaking aerial views for all occupants, turning every flight into an immersive adventure, while the semi-autonomous fly-by-wire systems simplify operation with intuitive controls and smart assistance features that make flying more accessible even for those with limited experience. Built as a practical flying car alternative, the LEO Coupe emphasizes ease of use with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities from small pads or even driveways, foldable wings for convenient ground storage, and a focus on affordability through streamlined manufacturing and lower maintenance needs compared to conventional light aircraft. On the pros side, its all-electric powertrain delivers zero direct emissions and quiet performance perfect for suburban or rural operations, while the advanced battery integration and redundant propulsion systems prioritize safety and reliability, potentially bringing personal air mobility within reach for a much wider audience than ever before. With certification targeted for the late 2020s, the project is progressing steadily through rigorous testing and design refinements, backed by a vision to democratize the skies by creating an approachable, exciting aircraft that feels like a natural evolution of the family car into the third dimension. Of course, challenges such as battery technology scaling and regulatory approvals remain, but Leo Flight's emphasis on user-friendly features and real-world practicality positions the Coupe as a strong contender for those seeking freedom beyond congested roads. Heading over to South Korea, we discover an exciting innovation from This Is Engineering with the remarkable Shift Compson in an autonomous all-electric passenger eVTOL that's making waves in urban and mid-distance air mobility. This pilot-free aircraft delivers a seamless experience for 2 passengers, plus luggage inside a sleek, lightweight carbon fiber structure featuring stunning panoramic wraparound, windows that flood the cabin with natural light, and breathtaking aerial views, turning every journey into an immersive adventure high above the city. What truly makes the Shift Compson stand out is its clever blend of 16 powerful electric motors and propellers mounted on wing-supported booms, which provide incredibly smooth vertical lift for effortless takeoffs from tight urban spots, while transitioning beautifully into efficient high-speed cruise, reaching around 168 miles per hour with a practical range of roughly 137 miles on a single charge, offering the perfect balance of performance and everyday usability that many competitors struggle to achieve. The company smartly combines distributed electric propulsion with advanced autonomous flight systems to keep things both highly efficient and surprisingly affordable in the long run, as the simpler all-electric architecture reduces maintenance needs, lowers energy costs compared to hybrid or traditional options, and enables quicker production scaling that could bring operating expenses down for commercial fleets and future private users alike. Safety takes center stage through omnidirectional obstacle detection via cutting-edge sensors, fully redundant propulsion and control systems, and sophisticated computer-guided autonomy that constantly monitors everything in real time, ensuring reliable flights even in busy skies or tricky weather, while minimizing risks that often plague early eVTOL designs. On the pros side, this aircraft shines with whisper-quiet operation ideal for noise-sensitive neighborhoods, zero direct emissions for greener travel, rapid point-to-point connections that skip traffic entirely, and a focus on passenger comfort through its spacious modern interior and stable ride quality. Standout features include the unique boom-mounted propulsion layout for optimized lift and forward thrust, intuitive autonomous navigation that requires no pilot training, and a design philosophy built around maximizing safety and maneuverability by drawing smart advantages from both multicopter stability and efficient cruising dynamics. Of course, as a developing project still advancing through prototype testing toward broader certification, it faces typical challenges like current battery limitations for longer trips and the need for final regulatory approvals, but its strong emphasis on practicality, cost-effectiveness, and real-world urban performance positions the Shift Compson as a smart, forward-thinking choice that could accelerate accessible air mobility across bustling cities and connecting regions in the years ahead. Finally, wrapping up this deep dive into the exciting world of eVTOL innovation, we have the thrilling Klissarov Design Acro, a standout ultralight recreational concept straight from the creative studio based in France that perfectly captures the pure joy and freedom of personal electric flight, especially tailored for adventurous maritime escapes from luxury yachts. What makes the Acro such a compelling choice in this segment is its smart balance of cutting-edge technology and simplicity that delivers high fun factor without the heavy costs or complexity plaguing many larger eVTOL projects, allowing enthusiasts to enjoy breathtaking aerial maneuvers over the open sea, while keeping things affordable and practical for yacht owners who want an exciting add-on toy that enhances their ocean lifestyle rather than complicating it. At its heart sits an innovative propulsion setup featuring 6 cycloidal rotors that provide full 360-degree thrust, vectoring for unmatched agility and precise control in any direction, paired with AI assistance that makes handling feel natural and intuitive, like an extension of your own movements, enabling pilots to pull off aerobatic stunts, quick hovers, and smooth transitions even in windy coastal conditions where traditional designs might struggle. The unique open cockpit design gives riders an immersive open-air experience with panoramic views of the waves below, while the 3D printed airframe slashes weight dramatically to keep the vehicle lightweight and responsive, supporting easy storage on yacht decks and straightforward maintenance that lowers long-term ownership expenses compared to more intricate carbon fiber builds. This approach not only boosts efficiency during short, thrilling hops, but also emphasizes safety through redundant propulsion systems that can handle engine losses without losing hover capability, plus a reliable emergency parachute for added peace of mind during those exhilarating flights near the water. On the pros side, the Acro shines with its quiet electric operation that respects serene marine environments, zero direct emissions for eco-conscious yachting, exceptional maneuverability that opens up new possibilities for exploring hidden coves or simply enjoying freedom in 3 dimensions, and a focus on emotional fun that turns every outing into an unforgettable adventure rather than just basic transportation. Of course, as an early concept still in development, it comes with typical challenges like scaling production and finalizing certifications under ultralight rules. But its streamlined design helps keep potential costs more accessible for private buyers, making advanced air mobility feel reachable instead of reserved for big commercial fleets. With an estimated top speed around 63 miles per hour, suited perfectly for recreational jaunts, and a payload that comfortably handles 1 pilot plus essentials, the Acro stands out as an efficient pick because the cycloidal tech reduces energy waste in hover and low-speed phases, while the lightweight build minimizes power demands overall, delivering strong performance without needing massive expensive batteries that drive up prices in other models. There you have it, folks. A look at some of the most innovative eVTOL projects moving the industry forward right now. From practical air taxis and hybrids to specialized cargo and personal thrill machines, this space is evolving fast. Which one caught your attention the most? Or what do you think the future of flying will look like? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you catch the next deep dive into emerging tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Safe travels out there.